Like, here's invoice.
Excuse me. Slow down, lady. Slow down. There you go, brother.
Okay, cool. That's ma'am. Yes. And then we open up our brand
Trash. What's Oh God, I didn't mean to interrupt. I was just trying to see what's going on. Exactly.
Our bestseller. It's like our iteration of the Jasmine.
So you're saying this, I'm sorry. What were you saying? There's something sticky
No,
over
we're
here.
just giving away our free latte.
Oh, very nice. Oh, they're free.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's like milk with herbs and stuff like that.
Huh?
Milk and herbs and stuff like that. That's cool.
Yeah. So yeah, download our app, follow us, you get a free like.
Awesome, man. Thank you. All right, cool.